BabyBus.
Woohoo! Ah! Huh? Oh no! Hey! No! The vending machine is broken! What am I gonna do? Whoa! Someone's coming! Oh no, it's Whiskers!
I need a battery for my toy. Where can I buy it? It's a vending machine. I'll have a battery.
He needs a battery. What am I going to do? I got it.
Wow! Oh, I got a battery!
I almost got caught. Oh no! Rudolph! Please don't come here! Don't come here!
There's a vending machine. I want to buy soda.
Oh no, there's no soda.
What's going on? Why does it take so long?
Oh, I have an idea. Hey. Oh, yeah! I am just too smart.
I want to buy something else.
He wants to buy another one? No matter what he buys, I'm gonna find a way.
I want to get an apple. Someone had a bite of this apple. What's going on?
Oh no. I have an idea.
It's a new apple? Oh, yeah! The vending machine automatically changes its goods. Miumiu, come over here! Look at this magical vending machine!
Magical vending machine? Really? I want to try it.
Oh no, Miumiu's really smart. How am I not going to get caught?
I'll have lemon juice.
Lemon juice? Which one's lemon juice? Let me try this one.
No, this is not lemon juice. Wow, it really changes things.
You see? I told you.
No, not this one. Okay, then forget about lemon juice. I'll have milk.
Milk! I got it! Oh, please work this time.
Kiki, come out. I know it's you.
Miu Miu, I broke the vending machine.
You did? Look, it's not broken. It's just unplugged.
BabyBus vending machine.
Huh? It really is.
Let me try.
Yeah. Huh? Rudolph,
Huh?
what are you doing outside?
My father's really harsh on me recently. Well, actually, I don't even want to go home.
Why would he do that to such a good boy like you? Don't worry, I'll help you.
How?
Let's get inside first.
Huh?
If there's any problems, I'll handle them.
Oh! Vegetables, carrots. I've been eating them for months. Oh, I hate vegetables.
Don't worry, greens, carrots, give them all to me. Plate!
Huh?
Kiki, what do you like? You can go ahead and help yourself. Rudolph, eat vegetables first. Don't be picky.
Mr. Fu, I like the carrots most. Can I have more?
See? Kiki's not a picky eater. What a good boy. The bitter gourd is for you. Here you go, Rudolph.
Woohoo! The bitter gourd is my favorite too. Yum! Yum 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Oh. Yum yum. Nom 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 nom.
Oh.
Nom nom nom. Nom. Dad, I'm done. Can I go play with Kiki outside? Going to play outside.
Wait. Rudolph, what should you do after meals?
Wash dishes. Dad seems to hate me.
I have an idea. Dish sponge.
Dad.
Good job.
Now that all the dishes are clean, can I go out and play with Kiki?
No, you can't. First, you have to read 3 character classics.
人之初，性本善，性相近。
Poor Rudolph. You don't have time to play. Oh, I have an idea. Hey! Story machine. Rudolph, let's play Chinese checkers.
Huh? But I have to read the book.
The story machine will read it for us. We can play games while listening to it.
That sounds great. 心相近，心相远。Yeah, I think I'm winning.
Let me show you what I got. Hey!
Omelette for breakfast. That's Rudolph's favorite. And bread and milk for snacks. Rudolph will be so happy. I should leave a note for Rudolph.
Kiki, what are you doing over here?
Come and look at this.
Huh?
Dear Rudolph, I'm leaving for 3 days business trip. In the fridge, you'll find your breakfast. Omelette for the first day. Tuna vegetable salad for the second day. And the third day... I hope you develop good habits. And grow up to be a good man. Am I too harsh on Rudolph? What if he hates me for that?
Rudolph, your dad loves you so much.
Dad!
Huh?
Dad, are you all right?
I'm fine. Dad is all right.
I'll be a good kid and I won't let you down.
Kiki, what's taking you so long? Have you finished your homework?
Kiki!
Oh.
Huh? He looks familiar. Where did I see him before? Aha! He looks just like me. What's that smell? It smells really good. Huh? Huh? Who's there? Huh? No! We have to wait for Kiki. Wow! Lots of yummy food. Oh, I haven't eaten anything for a long time.
It looks like Kiki's still sleeping.
Sleeping? Is it the guy I just saw? Aha! I should pretend to be him. Here I am.
You're finally here. I'm starving.
Huh?
It's so hot, so hot.
What's happening to you?
Yeah, whoa.
Wow, awesome. I'll show you some of my magic. Yes.
Okay.
Okay then. Close your eyes and turn around. Are you ready? Almost.
I want to open my eyes now.
Oh, I'm hungry. Do you have something to eat?
Kiki!
Huh?
Where's my apple?
Ah, it must be a big fish. Why is it an apple?
Wow, there's lots of fish. You have the apple, I'm taking the fish.
My fish! Kiki, stay right there.
Guys, wait. Why are you ignoring me?
You ate the food all by yourself. We're not friends anymore. Huh? He's right.
Huh? I ate it all. I didn't do that.
Stop! Don't run! Come back!
Huh?
Kiki! How can there be two Kikis?
Give me my fish back! Ah. Ow!
Now I know you're not Kiki. Huh? All right, time to go.
You're the one who ate all our food. Stop!
Hey, stop!
Watch out!
Bye-bye.
Oh, I have an idea. I'll get him. You have nowhere to go.
Go, Kiki, go!
Way to go!
Kiki, watch out! Wait! Kiki! Somebody help!
Miumiu!
I'm so tired.
I'll help you!
Let me help! Whoa.
Kiki! Somebody help! Huh? Kiki, are you okay?
I'm all right. Thank you. Thank you.
And you are...
Huh. I knew it! You were a fake one! Kiki might be a troublemaker, but he won't steal my fish!
I'm sorry. My name is Bay. I was just so hungry. I live in the North Pole. There's nothing to eat because of the pollution. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have done it.
It's all right. Thanks for saving me.
Huh? Yes! You were awesome!
Right! You are amazing!
You guys! Aw.
Take this food with you so you won't be hungry.
Thank you, Kiki. Thank you, everyone.
Goodbye, Babe.
Goodbye.
Wait! Wait! Take these 2 crabs I caught today! Ah!
I hope it works. Oh, failed again. Huh? Oh. Robot Cloud. Where's the bone? I can use the wrench. Another failed invention. Oh, that's it. Ha! I got you! Where do I keep it? Kiki! Yes! Aha! Hello!
Hello, Mr. Dow. We're going to have a picnic. Do you want to join us?
I can't. I'm so busy.
Huh?
Here, this is for you.
Wow, it's a big cotton candy. Thank you, Mr. Dow. Flying cotton candy? Oh, it's a little cloud. Kiki! Huh? Are you okay? I am fine. Achoo! Did you catch a cold? Have some warm soup. Watch out! No, my soup! Wow, what's that? It's Little Cloud. Mr. Dow gave it to me. It's absorbing the steam. The steam is gone. Oh. Aha! Wow, Kiki, what's this? It's Little Cloud. He's so cool. Look what he can do for us. Ah! Over there, Cloud! Wow! Yeah! Wow, you're so cool, Little Cloud.
So, Master made it this time. I'm gonna take it back. Ha! Ha! It's not working. Huh? Oh no! Help! Help!
It's Mr. Dow. Let's go.
Help me! Help me!
Mr. Dow?
Turn the machine off! Turn it off!
Kiki! Oh no! What should we do? Aha!
Mr. Dow, why did you bring the vacuum cleaner to the woods?
I use it to pick the fruit.
Help! Help! Kiki, help! Help me, Kiki!
Little Cloud saved us, but he's gone.
Look!
Look, it's Little Cloud!